So today my Model Y got a little boo-boo. It could have been worse, but thank God it's not. Just look at this thing. So nice and clean. I try my best to set it apart from all the other Model Ys on the road. Let me know what you guys think about it. So there's a big old chip in this windshield right here. There we go, you guys can see it. So a truck was on the opposite side, and as soon as it went by, I just heard this loud explosion. Boop! Man, it scared all of us, and that's the result. A big old chip. Just look at that. Pretty crazy. Man. So here's the chip. You can see it from inside. So in this video, I'm going to show you the process of the repair and how much it costs. So the entire repair process took about 15 to 20 minutes. The overall experience was pretty good. No complaints there at all. So yeah, if you guys have similar issues with a cracked windshield, I just did this video to show you what you guys can expect if you do like a temporary fix like this. In case you don't want to, spend that high deductible or whatever, or you don't want to really replace that windshield, because I saw online it could cost upwards of $2,500. So yeah, if you just want something as a little temporary fix until you can get to pay your deductible, or you could buy a new windshield out of pocket, then you could try this out. But I just wanted to see what this would look like. But I think I'm gonna repair, or not repair, but just replace the entire glass.
So is that top glass too?
Mm-hmm.
Is it? So you can see out of it, or it's dark?
You can see out of it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. So here it is. From the outside, you can tell it's still there, but it just looks like dirt, from afar. And inside, it kind of looks the same. It looks much better than, that big old crack. You could definitely tell you had a cracked windshield. So let me show you what it looks like from the inside. All right, so this is what it looks like on the inside. He said there's 2 chips, so that's the best it's gonna get. There's no way to get it back perfectly. So yeah, that's it. Next step is just to swap this out and get a brand new windshield. But that's all right for now. So if you guys had a cracked windshield, let me know what the process was like for you guys and how much it cost to repair the entire thing. This was free. I just called up my insurance company and they literally send Safelite out the next day. So that cost me nothing. So that's pretty good. If you guys want to see more Tesla Model Y content, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe and peace out.